here tonight in our favorite cafe in Marikina. This is our top one.
Yes, we're at Lil Bean Cafe.
Which branch?
West Drive. Basta tapat ng Saints ko.
Yeah. Kasi may isa pa sa Hill Fernando and somewhere else. I don't know.
Yes, but ito yung favorite namin. We always go here.
And tonight specifically, the reason we're here is because we're going to try their Christmas menus.
Okay, so what I have here, I have Biscoff Latte. Yan, Biscoff Latte yung in-order ko.
Okay, this is peanut butter.
So yung peanut butter.
Peanut butter latte. Because I love peanut butter. Okay.
Okay, wait. Let me just ayos para di siya namamatay. But, okay, what are we going to talk about today?
Wait lang, spoiler.
Okay.
Will this be a review of the drink?
Oh, wait lang.
Yeah, okay. If this is gonna be a review of the drink, disclaimer, this is not my favorite drink. Well, kasi bago siya. But my favorite drink here is sea salt latte.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yung tipong papasok pa lang ako, kahit hindi na nila tanongin yung order ko.
Ma'am, sea salt latte
Sea salt
po.
latte po, Mama B.
Okay.
Hindi na rin nila... Yeah.
Hindi na lang hinihingi yung PWD ID mo.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know, siguro kasi kulang na lang may sarili na silang kopya ng ID ko.
Meron din kaming
We have a cookie.
favorite ni Hana to. At
Yes.
yung white chocolate cookie.
Okay, taste test. Yes.
Okay,
It's
taste test
chocolate.
muna bago yung bagong drink. Kasi ito, kabisado na namin lasa nito.
Okay.
Okay.
This one first.
Akala ko ito muna. Cookie
Okay.
first.
Cookie first.
So you already know what this tastes like.
Sorry, hindi ko na kasi pinainit.
Usually, okay, tip yan guys. If you buy anything na cookie or pastry, try nyo pa microwave muna.
Yeah.
Na. Pero kasi di mo pinainit. But, it's gonna dry.
Yeah, I know. That's mine anyway.
Kaya masarap. Like chocolate. Totoong chocolate din dun.
Yeah. Okay. Sobrang favorite namin tong place na to. We've done everything here. As in, thesis ko
Tambay in
few months
general.
ago. Tambay in general with friends or kami lang. Tambay with the dogs kasi, they're pet friendly.
Yes.
You can bring over your
Pet
dogs.
friendly yung Lil Bean.
And, ba? We work here. Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty much everything. Okay, taste test. Naririnig ba nila? Ay, di nila maririnig kasi naka-noise reduction tayo. But,
Yung ASMR. Next time.
next time. May dito eh.
Cheers first.
You first. Ito muna. Mag-comment ka naman. Nilalagok mo na eh.
I love peanut butter. And it's
Patigin.
not a biased review, but they've got real peanut butter.
Patikim ako. Sisog ba tong yung cream nila?
No, medj, feeling ko.
Yeah. Wait lang. Lasang kape kakao. Kape na kape mani. Choco mani. Choco mani from Inarawan. Puntahan namin yung next time.
That's my
But-
top 2. That's our
Yeah.
top 2.
Next time.
Close second on the list.
My turn. This is Biscoff. Biscoff latte.
How's it? How's it?
Kaya na lang yan. Very masarap.
Sarap.
Sarap? Hindi siya matamis.
Sarap!
Oh, hindi siya matamis.
Di siya matamis na.
It has real Biscoff cookies.
Yes, same with this. It has real peanut butter. I think it's Skippy.
Yes.
And hindi overpowering yung flavor and yung espresso.
It's coffee first. Kape siya first more than anything.
Yes. I love it.
Hoy, si Bossing pala to!
Okay. Anyway, I love it.
I love it too.
I love it. It's surprising kasi, pag pupunta kami rito, we only buy,
If hindi latte, sea salt latte. That's it.
so sa kanya lagi sea salt latte, ako lagi latte.
Feeling ko, if they put this on the regular menu, may kapalitan na yung sea salt latte for me. But I will not let it go for my favorite coffee.
I love it very much. Okay,
Sarap.
speaking of,
Sarap. Also, one additional reason why we keep going back here is because of Tita Bean, which is absent right now.
si Tito Bean right now.
She's a cat, by the way.
Mamaya baka lumabas.
I don't know, feeling ko nasa loob.
Hindi namin nasa loob.
Yeah.
But-
She's a resident cat, okay? She's a
She's a
resident cat.
Pili namin
She's
ng anak
not
ko
a
siya.
stray cat. She's not a stray cat.
Pili namin ng anak na siya or something.
She was recently spayed.
She was spayed but she was buntis pa rin.
Yeah.
Buntis pa rin siya. Anyway. Kwento mo sa kanila yun, no? Thesis mo.
Hmm.
Why lagi tayo nasa cafes?
Sorry. Yeah. We started cafe hopping. Siya, specifically. He doesn't like, he's a homebody. So, di siya mahilig lumabas at all. Ako naman, si Takas girl. I always want to be outside. Kahit maulan. Wala lang. Lalo na if it's sunny outside. Wala lang. Parang masarap lumabas ng bahay and see many things outside.
Yeah.
So, yung thesis ko, nag-struggle ako maghanap ng topic na I would stick to. So, sabi ko noon, okay, wala akong makommit na topic. I will just use yung kaka-cafe hopping ko, whatever, as my thesis. And it ended up nice. Yay! Ayun. Malapit kasi ito sa amin, tong cafe na to. And sobrang iconic niya kasi it's in front of my high school, which is States ko. The States ko, Marikina. So I started here. Dito ko conceptualize yung thesis ko. Dito ko siya dinraft, everything.
What is your thesis about?
Yeah, my thesis was about cafes in Marikina and the memories that are tied to Marikina in general. So if you're watching Harry Potter or if you're a fan of Harry Potter, the idea is parang cafes in Marikina are my, what do you call that? Portkeys
Yes,
to the
Porkies.
past. Parang ganun. Yeah. Parang siyang cafes in my thesis served as portals, kumbaga, to my memories in the city kasi I'm Americanyo and I'm proud to be American.
We're not gonna move out of Marikina. We love Marikina. Sobrang sarap ng buhay dito. It's like the least city in all of Metro Manila cities. And so clean here, so walkable.
We're not saying it's a perfect place.
Yeah, it's not a perfect place, but
Definitely, but yeah,
we'd rather be here than somewhere else.
correct. I mean, I've worked in Pasig, particularly in Ortigas, for a few months. And it's supposed to be better there, di ba? Kasi all the corporations are there, whatever. Na I
Ang,
prefer to work here. Kaya lang, most of the areas here in Marikina are residential.
yeah,
Rightfully
residential
so.
usually.
Rightfully so kasi masarap mabuhay dito. Sarap tumira dito.
May parts here na puro factories naman. Like,
You got Fortune.
Fortune area. Kaya siya Fortune kasi, ano yung factory ng Fortune
Ah!
cigarette?
And, mabango.
And
Mabango doon.
mabango doon.
Literal, pag dumaan kayo doon, maamoy niyo yung...
Yeah, but it's tobacco.
Yeah. Mabango
Yes.
siya.
Pero mabango siya,
Surprising.
mabango. But yeah, mostly here in Marikina, it's either puro residential areas or puro cafes, puro restaurants. Yeah, that's it. Cafes, restaurants.
We still have
yeah.
the shoes industry. Pero doon na yun sa may bayan banda.
Yeah, so may
We still hold yung ano yan? Parang
Shoe bazaars.
shoe bazaars every December.
Yeah. Pero not as common as before.
Yeah, pero ganun pa rin, maganda pa rin yung quality ng
Yeah. Marikina shoes pa rin naman.
Marikina bags. Ako
Yes.
din, if bumibili ako ng leather shoes, I don't look for anywhere else. Okay na sa Marikina.
And,
Very worth it.
Yeah. Very worth it. But, nung nasabi mo, you worked in Ortigas. Why are you not in Ortigas anymore?
Okay. Bukod sa super layo na. Wala lang. I think, personally kasi, I never planned to stay there. I mean, not specific to the company itself. I think the travel part of working there is just a no-no. I tried everything kasi ang biyahe ko doon from my house to the office is 2 hours. 2 hours siya, maximum. And then yung pauwi, god damn.
Babe, you have to wake up at
I had to wake
5.
up, okay. The earliest time in na pwede is 7 a.m. But, well, kasi nung time na nag-work ako sa Ortigas, I had a part-time job, which is now my full-time job. And it's a remote job. So, ang schedule ko nun sa part-time job ko is 6 p.m.
6 p.m. to
6
10 p.m.
p.m. to 6 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Yep.
So, meaning, I had to finish my work sa Ortigas in like 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Which meant, I need to get up at 5:30 and get out of the house before 6 a.m.
Yes.
Para lang makaabot ako sa earliest time in the
Ng
7 a.m.
7. Eh, ang hirap
4.
kasi.
Yes.
It's so bad kasi.
It's so bad kasi pag na-late lang ako nakalis sa bahay, let's say umalis ako ng 6:30, wala na, late na ako.
Yeah, if you're a commuter, you know this. Para malate ka lang ng konting minuto, exponential na yung difference in
Yes, the
travel
road is
time.
shit. Yes, Manila traffic is bad and it's
Like,
fucking...
malate ka ng alis ng 10 minutes, 5 minutes. That could mean what? An hour late, to 30 minutes late,
Mhm.
whatever.
Mhm. Mhm.
Like, transportation in the Philippines is so bad.
Okay. Well,
Parang, yun yung main reason.
yeah. And then,
There are other reasons though.
other reasons is, we're not naming anything or anyone, but, wala kasi the mere fact na, yun nga, super iksi na ng time ko and sobrang gipet sa time. Tapos, ito pang office ko nun, diba, office hours supposed to be 8 hours. Ewan ko, sa Pinas lang naman ganun eh. Hindi paid yung break time na 1 hour.
Sa Pilipinas
lang
gano'n
ganun.
yata. Or like, maybe there are other countries, right? But commonly,
It's just in the Philippines.
kaya nga uso ang 9 to 5 kasi 9 to 5 is like 8 hours.
Yes.
And they have a 1 hour paid lunch.
Inclusive of break time.
Yeah, so in reality, it's like 7 hours of work.
Yeah.
Sa Pilipinas lang yung 8 hours of work.
Yeah.
They paid you lunch, pero you have to take the lunch during office hours. So yung time na busy your 9 hours kang nasa office.
Yeah. Yun yung reality ng 8-hour shift sa Pilipinas.
9 hours talaga siya.
It's not an 8-hour shift, it's a 9-hour shift. Kasi hindi paid yung lunch mo. And ito yung main reason why I went out. Kasi, yun nga, kahit wala yung fact and yung context na I'm super gipit sa oras. Imagine, I would sacrifice the lunch break. I will not take my lunch break during the 8-hour shift just so I can complete the 8-hour shift as soon as possible.
And
And there's this one day na okay, we had the meeting. Tapos yung meeting is scheduled at what, 4:30? Yeah, 4:30. The meeting was scheduled at 4:30.
you were
And
supposed to leave at what?
oo, I'm supposed to leave at 4 p.m. kasi nga hindi ako nag-lunch break. I did not take any break times that day. Alam mo yun, hindi ka na nga nag-lunch break and everything.
Yeah.
Tapos, edi yan, I completed na from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. I was there. I was working, hindi ako umalis, hindi ako nag-break time, whatever.
Yeah.
And then, there's this meeting. Yung meeting na yon, pwede siyang online. Kasi, yeah, people are there sa office kung sino yun nandun. Edi, join, like, in on-site, diba? Just join on-site
Yeah, if
kung
you're
nandun
there,
ka.
di ba?
If you're there. But, kaya nga may link kasi others who are supposed to be in the meeting but not in the office can join.
They can join virtually kasi
Yeah,
yung setup kasi nila, like,
it's a hybrid.
it's a hybrid setup.
Yeah,
So,
it's hybrid.
you can come to the, parang, as long as you go to the office 3 times a week,
Yeah,
ikaw na bahala kung kailan.
Yeah.
Parang may set days lang,
yeah,
but pretty much ganun pag hybrid. Parang
yeah,
3 times a week on-site, the rest,
Yeah.
work from home.
Yeah.
Yung kanila, parang may option naman to join virtually.
yeah.
And
For
you're-
that specific meeting,
Yeah.
there's this option. There's always an option to join
Join virtually.
virtually on any meeting or most meetings dun sa company. Anyway, edi the meeting is set at 4:30. So ako naman before 4 p.m. so like 3:50 or something. Tumayo na ako and then I was packing my bags ganyan.
Yeah.
Kasi I came from another room dun sa office. And then ang tawag dito, maya I was packing my bag in another room. Tapos, I got a message, ganyan, from a team member. Tapos sabi niya basically, just join the meeting on site because
Oo.
you're already here, ganyan. And also, we're supposed to be here for 8 hours, ganyan, kasi, official earliest clock time is 7 a.m. So, blah, 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 ganyan. So, ang pinopoint niya lang ay,
Nandito ka na.
dapat, nandito ka na and we're supposed to spend 9 hours here
In the
sa
office anyway.
And sabi niya, baka daw masilip, ganyan, if I
Parang-
leave ng 4 p.m.
Para mapagalitan siya ng
Oo.
boss.
Oo, kasi I'm gonna be taking the meeting daw on the road, tapos hindi siya, just basically hindi conducive for a meeting. Okay, for additional context, I'm not an active player in that meeting. I'm supposed to be a listener there.
Parang it's one of those meetings na this could have been just an email.
It could have been a memo, it could have been an email.
Yeah, and then maybe if they really wanted a meeting, just
Yeah.
have a meeting for the core team, not for everyone.
I mean, okay lang naman eh. Okay lang sa akin na may meeting and everything. But, alam mo yun,
Para mo pigilan umuwi.
I just took it parang, hindi naman personally, pero parang naano ako doon kasi, ano naman, kung umalis ako ng 4 p.m. I rendered my 8 hours na for the day, hindi na ako kumain, hindi na ako nag-break time eh.
Yeah, ba't tayo mo pauwiin? Ganun.
Parang bawal parang bawal lumabas, gano'n.
Yeah.
Anyway, I think that was the nail to the coffin for me.
Nail on the coffin.
Pero, syempre, before that, yun nga, number 1, I never meant to stay there anyway. What are you looking for?
Looking for my susi.
You were just holding it kanina.
You're not here.
We're like this every day.
Ah, it's here. Nahulog.
We're like this every day.
Okay.
Ayun! And
Anyway.
then, well, timing lang din siguro kasi Kasi, before I actually had that hybrid job, I was applying to the company na initially I was a part-time
Part-time in.
part-time in. So, basically, ang nangyari ay, super tagal ko naghintay dun sa company na yon to take me. I was a fresh grad eh. Anyway.
And
I had
then,
two choices. Itong hybrid and then the remote job. And then, I
she waited for so long.
waited for months dun sa
She
remote
waited for
job.
so long.
I waited. And then sabi namin, by August, pag wala pang balik
Just
dun
go for it.
sa remote job, just go for the hybrid.
Just go for the hybrid.
Kasi the hybrid naman is, they were very open. Ganyan. Hindi naman very open, but like, I passed all the requirements, ganyan, tsaka yung screening nila.
O parang, you're there. Parang oo ka na lang sa kanila.
Oo, ganun.
Yeah.
They were just waiting for me, whatever, ganyan. At di sabi namin, by August, pag wala pang decision, go na ako dun sa hybrid. And then,
Yeah.
ito na, on my first day of work, dun sa hybrid, di ganyan, work ako, ganyan. And then, came the second day, I received a call. From the ex-community manager dun sa isang company na remote. And then, she basically said, may work ka na ba? Ganyan. Kasi, kukunin ka na namin. Blah, blah. What's your rate? And I was like, what the fuck?
Oh, parang,
What the fuck?
it was so funny kasi, again, she's been waiting for it for months. Like, 2 months?
3 months.
3 months?
3
Tapos,
months kasi ayaw.
okay,
Wait.
we are back.
Oh, napindot ko ata siya.
Saan? Hindi, okay lang. Okay lang yan.
Ay.
Nagana pa rin yan.
Okay. Wait lang.
Okay.
Let
Let
me
me just hold it.
And
Okay.
I'm just a girl, so I'm gonna put this
Ito tayo.
right over.
Actually, guys,
Actually, this is a take 2.
malayo na yung narating ng aming usapan.
Yeah. But okay, for the sake of completing the story,
Yes.
yun nga. So, there's a meeting ng 4:30 that afternoon. And then, I was packing my bags ng around 3:50 kasi I was meaning to leave at 4. Sakto.
Wala na tayo dyan. Tapos na tayo dyan. Ando na tayo sa 3 months. You're waiting for...
Okay, I was waiting for 3 months dun sa full-time job. The
Yes.
remote dapat. Yun talaga yung gusto kong job. Pero kasi, yun nga, I waited for 3 months, wala pa rin. So, sabi namin, pag August na, kasi diba usually August yung hiring season, whatever. So, August na, sabi namin, pag August wala pa rin, i-accept ko na yung offer dito sa Ortigas. Kasi, parang wala eh, oo na lang ako doon. And then,
Oo.
dun sa isa, I'm at their, wala,
Waitlist?
pinaghintay nila ako, waitlist ako, ganun. Whatever. Hindi, wala nga waitlist eh. Indefinite, sobrang
Oh,
indefinite.
sobrang indefinite.
And then, first, edi, tumuloy ako, ganyan. First day ko sa Ortigas, it was fine. It was on-site, ganyan. Welcome, wala akong ginawa doon. For 8 hours that day, wala akong ginawa as in. I just sat there and did nothing. Onboarding, syempre, the first half of the day, but wala akong ginawa. Walang anything. And then, second day happened, bago pa ako makapasok sa Ortigas,
Tumawag yung
tumawag ang aming ex-community manager. Shout out sa iyo. We love you.
We love you.
We
Kilala
love
mo kung sino ka.
and we miss you.
Yes.
Anyway.
Anyway.
Ayun. Tumawag siya bigla. And then I was like, okay, what is this about? And yeah, I took the call. Lo and behold, she said, okay, she basically said, okay, we're ready for you. What's your rate? What time are you available? And
Anong
then
gusto mong
sabi ko
shift?
nun- And then sabi ko no.
I'm like, no. Meron na akong work.
Basically, sabi ko nun sa kanya, hala, may full-time na ako.
Oo.
Second day ko nga today eh. Basically, ganun yung nangyari. And then, I don't know, hindi ko alam paano nangyari, but
Typically kasi,
typically,
bawal.
Hindi.
Okay.
Okay, the company did not intend ever
They
the
don't
company did not ever want or intend to hire
part-times.
part-times.
Ayaw nila ng part-times.
Oo. Eh, anong gagawin ko? Di ba, alam nga naman mag-night shift ako, tapos may day job ako, eh, di namatay ako ng maaga. Anyway.
So, we don't know.
Anyway, nung tinanong ako ng community manager kung anong oras ako available, well, sinabi ko naman sa kanya, I can commit, pero part-time lang, as in
4
4
hours lang.
hours a day. And then, sabi niya, okay, what time? And then sabi ko nung una, wala, nagsuggest na ako ng time na available ako for 4 hours every day.
Yeah.
And then, I don't know, she did the magic, and somehow it worked, and then I got in. Charot.
Yes. I don't know how you did it. But, ang galing mo. We love
You're the
you.
reason why I'm here today.
Yes. But anyway, so yun nga, first reason mo why you left
Okay.
the Ortigas job was to
The first
commute.
reason why I left the Ortigas job, I went there for 2 months. 2 months lang.
Yes.
And then, originally, sabi ko, tapusin ko yung probation contract ko, which is 6 months. So, that was due in February. Supposed to be due in
Supposed to be
February.
February.
And then, ayun, shit happened. So, nag-resign ako 2 months in. And then, my main reason was, first, yung commute, sobrang gipit sa time.
Yes.
Basically, pagod na ako commute pa lang, transpo pa lang, commute na ako.
Oo.
And talo ako super. Which is my second reason why I went out. Kasi, yung sinasahod ko doon, syempre, it's a small salary. Eh, medyo okay lang naman yun sa akin. And it's justifiable kasi first job,
Oo.
diba? I had no experience. I'm a fresh grad.
Yes.
I'm fortunate enough to be accepted. Although dumaan naman ako sa due process nila. I mean,
Yeah.
I napasa ko lahat basically. And ayun nga. Yung sinasahod ko doon, alam mo yun, kahit wala akong binubuhay, parang somehow hindi ko nararamdaman
Di
yung
talaga.
sinasahod ko. Kasi syempre, Pinas yun, so quincenas yun.
Oh.
So, 15th and then 30th, half ng payroll mo and then half ng
Yep.
payroll mo at the end of the month. Somehow, hindi ko siya nararamdaman. As in, ang dumadating lang sa akin, syempre, nakakaltasan pa yun because of the benefits and everything.
Yeah.
But, hindi ko siya talaga nararamdaman. And then, dumating yung time na I was sick for a week. Literal,
Ito na.
wala akong boses doon. Wala, kahit bulong wala. Anyway,
So, she didn't. Di siya pumasok the following week.
Yun yung last week ko before I resigned.
Yes.
That was the last week. Tapos it was so bad kasi I'm supposed to be in the office for 3 days on site and then 2 days work from home. Tapos nung week na yun, since I was sick, I was work at home 5 days.
Yeah.
So that whole week I was
Work from home niya lahat. Work from home siya that whole week.
yes.
And then the following
I'm
week.
thankful naman na may ganung option. Basically parang babawiin mo yung times na dapat on-site ka. So,
Oh,
yeah.
so very flexible
Very
naman.
flexible naman. But, yun kasi parang dun nag-sink in sa akin na, what about the days like this?
Oh.
Anong gagawin ko, di ba? So, nalang ko pupulutin.
Okay.
Anyway, so yun nga, first reason is the transpo, super hirap. Sobrang, unfair.
Ang hirap kaya mag-commute.
Ang hirap mag-commute, as in. Second is yung sinusweldo ko, hindi ko nararamdaman. Kasi 50% of that napupunta sa transpo. And then, the rest, wala, panggastos ko for the day. And then, yung iba ko pang binibili, ganyan. Kasi diba, syempre, kahit naman
Para naman medyo south ko yun eh, di ba?
kahit naman anong tipid mo, diba, gagastos ka.
Oh. Saka, it's money. You're supposed to spend.
Oo, yun nga eh. So, yun, wala akong naiipon. Yun nga eh, wala na akong naiipon. Hindi ko pa siya nararamdaman. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Kasi iba yung wala kang naiipon kasi gastos ka ng gastos. Hindi eh. I was like, nagtitipid na nga ako eh. Nagtitipid na ako nung lagay na yun, tapos di ko pa rin siya nararamdaman. Anyway, nasa ano pa? Third reason siguro. What my third reason?
Di yung original choice mo.
I was never meant to stay there.
Yeah.
Parang ang initial plan ko and the original plan was to just complete the probation
Yeah.
contract, which is 6 months. And then after that, I'm
Alis
out.
na, yeah.
Wala eh.
Napaaga.
Ang paaga. Super
Pagod
aga.
kasi. Okay.
Napagod ako eh. And I was like, alam mo yun?
Mahirap mag-commute.
Mahirap pag
Even-
talaga.
Wait lang. Ito. Parang for... Okay, wait.
That was an unnecessary pause.
I am recalling. Ayun nga. Again. May naalala ko. From regarding commuting. Naalala mo yung ano? Yung... Naalala mo yung sinamahan natin yung friend natin.
That was not MRT.
Ha?
LRT yun.
Dahil next time natin ikukwento.
Okay.
Next time namin ikukwento. Let's save it for another time. But anyway, yun nga, 2 months lang siya tumagal.
2 months lang ako doon. And
that's it.
after that, actually, syempre hindi naman tayo aalis doon nung wala tayong backup plan, di ba? Ay basically, ipinilit ko yung sarili ko mag full-time job dun sa part-time job ko.
That's right now, dito na siya
Hindi
sa...
naman ipinilit, but like, alam mo yun, kung walang gagalaw ng baso para sa'yo,
Galawin mo na.
parang sign mo na yun na ikaw na yung gumalaw.
Kasi before,
Kasi it was like that for me.
yeah. Anyway,
Ayan. Kasi, ano eh, tawag dito, basically, the plan was, part-time ako, and then hihintayin ko yung end
your
ng,
signal.
Oo. Hihintayin ko yung end ng 6-month contract ko dun sa hybrid, which is hindi nga nangyari. And then after nun, I will go full-time dito sa remote job ko na part-time.
Napaaga nga.
That time nga, ayoko na mag-hybrid. Gusto ko na, nag-resign na ako doon, or like, gusto ko na mag-resign doon. What I did was, wala lang, I just, parang just
Wala
shoot
lang,
your
what?
shot, whatever.
Tinanong niya lang,
Oo, basically,
okay, when can I start?
oo, ganun. Basically, ang phrasing ko nun ay, hey, I am
Free!
free. I resigned from my work.
When can I start?
When can I start rendering full hours? Full 8 hours. Wala lang, fortunate lang din ako kasi yung boss namin nun, he was like, fully resigned ka na ba? Ganyan, whatever.
Yeah,
And then what time are you going to render?
Yeah, and then the following week, yun na, full-time na.
Oo. Following week, sabi ko lang, Friday nun, sabi ko, hey, can I start rendering full time next week, Monday, from ganitong oras to ganitong oras. And then he said, sure.
Yeah, go for
And
it.
then yun na yun.
Okay.
And then right now, I have my full time.
Yes.
Although I'm still in probation.
Very good.
Let's sprinkle some
Some of-
regularization dust.
Yes. Okay. Diba, we're talking about work right now and stuff. But, kaka-graduate lang namin. So, we graduated again kaka-graduate lang namin nung June. This year lang. So, speaking of school, what is your
Oh my.
what is something that you miss as a
Yes?
student?
In school?
Yeah.
Or as a student? In school or as a student?
Okay, as a student,
As a student.
in general.
Okay. One thing I miss about being a student is you're allowed to fail.
Ay. What do you mean? Explain.
I mean, sa amin kasi, we're both scholars from high school up until college. So,
Saan ka nag-high school?
yung failing part doon, technically, sobrang small nung window for us to fail. But,
We're still allowed to fail.
alam mo yan, if you're a student, you're allowed to fail in such a way na, wala, pag may na-fail ka, you just have to take it again,
Yeah.
and again, and again, and again,
Yeah.
until you pass it. Wala, be. Parang since nag-work kami,
Are you not allowed to fail?
you're allowed to fail, yeah, pero alam mo yun, hindi siya ganun,
Mamamark ka?
hindi siya ganun kadali na you can just start over again.
Yeah.
Parang pag hindi siya parang parang ganun talaga siya. The reality in working is, pag nag-fail ka, you're practically clinging to the mercy of your manager, supervisor, na huwag ka
Bosses.
tanggalin. Kasi syempre, if you fail at doing your job, parang mercy na nila yun kung tatanggalin ka nila o hindi.
Yeah.
Kasi objectively, if you fail, which means you did not do your job well
Yeah.
or something. The
So-
objective thing is, pwede ka nila tanggalin, di ba?
Yeah, it's not real, the real world.
It's brutal
It's
out
not-
there.
It's not forgiving at all.
Oh.
Parang, alam mo yun, para people always, they always preach na failure is a step towards success, etc., etc. Like,
Failure is
fail-
progress.
Yeah, failure is
whatever.
progress, feel free to fail. That's not true. Hell no. Parang, yeah,
Well,
maybe
at
in a broader scheme of life, you can fail.
At least for us, hindi siya option.
Yeah, but if you're
Hindi
you're
siya
working,
option for us, hindi siya
Nah.
option, and it's definitely not progress kasi wala we need the job, diba?
yeah. So if anything, it's more pressure.
Ah.
It's more pressure. But, naitatawid naman.
Basta basically for me, that's what I miss being a
Yeah.
with being a student. You're allowed to fail. So if
Parang,
you're a student and you're failing, I'm not saying it's good, but you have this leeway na I can just take it again. I
Yeah.
can just take it again.
yeah, so, again, if you're a student pa right now, whoever's listening, may mga friends pa tayo na nag-aaral, di ba? So,
You miss that.
parang yun nga, parang there's always, you have more freedom to fail. Even if you're a scholar,
Freedom, you're parang lang, you're more, mas, what do you call that? Parang lang, mas may higher chance ka of surviving, I guess.
yeah,
If you fail in school.
kasi, wala lang, parang,
Yeah. It's
But-
not a requirement
oo,
kapag estudyante ka, of course. I mean, both of us, we never failed anything. But, reality is, wala.
mas scary mag-fail sa
If you
school.
fail in school, parang, okay, you failed the class.
Yeah,
Diba?
but, again, we're not undermining you failing in school, whatever. We're not saying na,
We're not
Okay
saying
lang
na
yan.
you should
No.
fail in school.
kasi us, again, we were scholars, diba? She studied in Saints ko. I studied in,
Especially in Saints Co, we were not allowed to fail.
parang, we were scholars since grade 7. Tapos, in college, we're in Admo na. And, as scholars kasi, you have maintaining grades. And it's tough.
Basically, ang puhunan mo pag scholar ka ay yung grades mo.
Yeah.
Yun yung binabayad sa scholarship mo.
Yeah, and I mean,
That's your ticket to education as a
yeah,
scholar.
that's what you're basically paying for.
Oh.
Yeah, you're paying with yung binabayad mo sa scholarship mo.
Ikaw, what's your,
Me?
what's the thing you missed with being a student?
Okay. Damn, ang bilis naman nun. Oh my God. Okay, for context guys. Kung nasan kami right now, Di ba? We're
Palabas kasi kami
outside.
ng cafe.
Eh, yung tapat kasi na itong cafe, it's a street siya. Yeah, it's a street. So may pababa, may paakyat, so two-way. Kaya lagi kami napapalingon pag may maingay. Saka kasi pahon. So pag
Oo.
pahon, yung mga kotse na yan,
Siyempre,
bobelo yan. Maingay. Dagdag mo pa yung mga maingay itong butso. But, okay. Something that I miss as a student, aside from failing. Kasi yung original, yun din yung original ko na answer. Parang ang mas madali mag-fail as a student. Siguro ano,
Baon.
hell no! Okay, at some point maririnig mo to. I love you, but yung last kong baon from my mother was back in pre-pandemic senior high school pa ako nun. After pandemic and post-pandemic, wala na akong baon. But it's fine. It's okay. Okay,
What are these dogs doing?
Nagro-ronda ang aso. Wait lang, sasagot na ako.
Okay.
Something that I miss being a student would be I think the during class hour standby. I miss that. Yung kapag may pasok kayo. Okay,
Vacant, ganyan.
story time. In Ateneo before. Nung nag-aaral pa kami. May doon.
Alam mo, sobrang tagal na nun eh.
So,
A few months ago, nagsusulat ako ng thesis ko.
6 months. 6 months ago na.
Oh.
Half a year. But, okay, when we were in Ateneo pa, we were studying pa. Okay, parang yun din, nung college tayo, that was the first time siguro na medyo marami tayo in one campus.
Oo. Kasi nung high school,
Nung high school, hiwalay.
kasi wala pang girls dun sa Ateneo. So, same kami na scholarship. But since walang girls sa Ateneo, high school that time, we needed to study in St. Cook, us
Oo.
girls.
And then yung guys, we were in Ateneo High School. And then K-12 came in. So, senior high in Ateneo, yun na yung co-ed. Right now kasi, also junior high co-ed na and then grade school yata. But during our time, kala ko layo na eh. During our time, senior high co-ed na. That was the first time that Ateneo had girls in the campus as students, senior high below. High school below. Ganyan. So, there was a chance sana for the girls to go to senior high. Not all of them passed sa A-shape.
I failed.
So,
A-shape.
si Hannah, she failed. A bunch of them failed. So, they stayed here in St. Cook for high school. And then, dalawa lang from our foreign group yung nakapasok sa senior high.
Yeah, na girls.
Na girls. So, in college, dumami na kami.
In college, dumagdag kaming,
Ilan kayo dumagdag? Tatlo?
Basically, dumami kami sa Ateneo na friends
Yes.
naka-enroll doon as
So,
scholars.
Yeah, so that's what I miss. That's what I miss as a student. May spot kasi sa campus where we're always there. Parang, alam mo yun eh, di ba as a student, yung friend group nyo, they have a spot.
May tambayan kayo, basically.
Yeah, they have a spot in campus. May ganun din kami. And we're always there.
It was
every
in
day.
Tosca Hall. I
Yeah.
think it was second year. Second year to third year.
Kasi first year namin, online pa eh.
First year online.
So second year, doon kami nag-start mag-on-site.
Tapos every vacant namin, ganyan, we just go there.
Andun na kami sa booth na yun.
Dun sa booth, dun sa seat na
Yeah,
yun,
dun sa seat
table
na yun,
na
yeah. And then, parang may may silent duty pa kapag whoever has the earliest class should deserve a seat. Diba? And then, the whole day, nandun kami.
And then kapag may class, si ganito, si ganyan,
Oh.
just go.
So
and
it's
then after class, return there, ganyan.
it's sort of like a home,
Ah.
that booth. So kapag, alam mo yun, pag gusto mo ng kasama and stuff, just go to the spot. And then people will most likely be there. Yun yung namimiss ko. Kasi right now,
Right now kasi we all have
wala kami ganun eh. Wala na kami ganun now.
we all have our lives now, I
Yeah.
guess.
Especially now, some of us,
I mean, we still get together pretty frequently.
pretty frequently,
Yeah. Pero hindi na yung ganun na sobrang carefree na
Oo.
on a regular basis. We can just go there and sit there for hours.
yun yung namimiss ko eh. Parang, it's so simple. Alam mo yung papasok ka,
Oo.
alam mo doon yung friends mo.
Yung the convenience of seeing your friends like that. Kasi
Yeah.
same kayo ng place to be in for the day. Tapos ano pa? Dagdag mo pa yung... Sige, dumaan mo na kayo lahat.
Dagdag mo yung,
Dagdag mo pa yung fact na we're all commuters except him kasi super lapit na bahay niya.
I just walk to school.
But basically, most of basically all of us na friends from school, we walk pababa kasi may hagdan. There's this hagdan gate sa Ateneo.
Yeah.
Tapos doon kami dumadaan, papasok tsaka pauwi.
Yeah.
And then pag pauwi kami, usually ang nangyayari, we wait for the last person or persons or last friends to have their classes. Kunwari, kung sino yung huling matatapos sa class, ganyan. And then, pagtapos na lahat ng class namin, tsaka kami uuwi,
Yeah.
sabay-sabay.
Sabay-sabay
ganyan.
kami uwi.
And then, we're going to walk from the campus to Hagdan, and then
Yeah.
down to Barangka, kasi dun kami lahat sasakay.
Yeah.
And then, next day comes. And
Yeah.
then, repeat again.
So, super simple. And it's also nice kasi, you get to see your friends every day.
Yeah.
Again, yun nga, parang
Talk
now,
about support system,
kasi,
basically.
yun nga, people have graduated,
Happy for them,
people,
Some people are still studying.
people are still studying, some of them, parang, di na nag-aaral or whatever. So, alam mo, yun, parang kanya-kanya ng landas ng buhay.
Oo. But the good thing about that is,
We're still, yeah.
I wish it persists this way.
yeah, we never fell out naman.
We never gotten out of touch our friend group. Parang there's always this group chat na pagka may gumalaw ng baso sa group chat na yun,
Na
pretty
people are
much
there.
everyone will
Lagi nagre-reply.
have
So,
visibility naman.
oh, and,
Medyo
ayun.
medyo sabay-sabay pa rin naman kami ng buhay. Ano lang, mas individual lang ngayon.
Oh.
Pero
Which is,
same phase, mga first job, ganyan. Yung iba,
Oo.
pag-graduate pa lang.
it's also nice kasi, alam mo yun, parang may bound ka kwento when you guys meet. Ganun. So, it's nice to be in that position din.
Oo.
Pero yun lang yung namimiss ko.
About being a student.
Namimiss ko kayo. To our friends there.
Hindi siya vocal, pero
miss ko kayo.
ako
I love you. Putang.
ako, I'm an only child kasi. So, and hindi rin ako masyadong close sa parent ko, sa mom ko. So, ayun pa, dagdag mo pa na
Wala kasing kapatid.
wala akong
Putik.
kapatid. And, yun nga, hindi pa kami ganong close sa bahay and medyo suffocating sa bahay and yung environment ko at home. So, I really prefer going out parang as early as high school kapag may pupunta ako sa ibang bahay, ganyan, bahay ng friends ko
Gina siya.
to practice this, to do this, or wala lang, kung tatambay lang. Gina-G ako lagi and usually nga nun, ako pa yung lagi nagaya. Sa bahay namin ng friends. Kasi wala lang. Alam mo yun?
Oh.
I just crave companionship. So, early on, very attached talaga ako sa friends. And they know that.
Ako not very vocal. But yes,
Sa kasi,
miss ko kayo. Love you.
uh,
So yun yung namimiss ko sa college. Sa school in general.
oh,
What is your ano naman? Staying true to the topic. What is something that
Something that,
you're very thankful for na you're no longer dealing with ngayong wala ka na sa school?
ano,
May sagot ka na ba? Ako may sagot na ako. Gusto mo
Oo,
na
ikaw
ako?
muna.
Ha? Ako
Ikaw
na?
muna, ikaw muna.
Okay. I don't like dealing with shit profs. Putang ina. I hate it. That's something I'm thankful for. Kasi at least right now, when I get to deal with higher figures, I'm paid. Bayad ako. You know? Parang, you're paid to deal with that. And, hierarchy-wise, superiors mo talaga sila. You're supposed to like, follow them. Follow their guidance, follow their instructions. That's what you're paid to do. Okay? And I'm so happy I'm no longer dealing with shit profs. Putik. Alam mo yung...
Ganito mo yung legendary
Eto.
0.5 mo.
Okay, I'm a scholar, right? So again, this is coming from a place of... I mean, I'm still grateful that I was a scholar. And I'm grateful to be there. But alam mo yun?
First mama B, ay tita B.
Alam mo yun, parang in a way, my tuition is paid. So I'm paying the profs to teach me properly. Okay? Ito na yun, yung kwento ko. This is the legendary 0.5, this is the legendary 0.5 story.
Okay, senior year yun.
Senior year. Second sem. Last sem.
in college.
We had a class. Soksai.
Yeah.
Soksai 14. Kasi ako eh. I'm not really running for honors. But alam mo yung since carry naman, kaya naman ng grades, konting kembot lang, parang I was shooting for it. Parang might as well, di ba? You're there, might as well shoot for it. So ito na. Dumating na yung grades.
That's the last batch of grades.
That was the last batch of grades. I needed to hit a certain QPI just so I can be eligible for Latin honors. I was short. I was short by 1 letter mark. And yung closest grade was Soksai. Yung Soksai, I had a B. I needed a B plus.
Mm.
So I checked. Then first
Name that prof.
no, ayoko. So first time kong mag-compute ng grades. And then you know yung grade?
It went
I needed-
down to?
Okay, I needed 87. I had 86 point something. Basta decimal lang. Kasi bago kasi mag-round off eh. Pero decimal lang. Pag ni-round off yun, 87 yun. Ganun ka-close. And then I check my records. And then, ang difference, 0.5.
0.05.
0.05?
0.05.
No, 0.05 yung
Ang
decimal.
laki nun pag 0.5.
Ha?
Ang laki nun.
No, yung grade mismo. Basta ang nangyari, I needed a 0.5 dun sa requirement na yun. Yung requirement, it was a reporting. Tapos, yung sa amin, yung reporting namin online. So, recorded.
All groups in that class for that requirement, lahat kami na groups nun, we were instructed to submit
The
a
recording.
recording of the report.
Yes.
Okay, so it was done remotely.
So
It
that
was
people-
recorded,
Yes.
and our classmates just needed to
Watch it.
on their own time,
Yeah.
whatever. And
So-
then,
Okay. Hindi.
okay, we passed the requirement.
We passed the requirement.
We passed the requirement on time, complete.
Ano nangyari nun? It's over 30. Yung group grade namin, 27 over 30. So, 90%. Basta competition-wise, 90%, pasok ako sa Latin Honors. Yung prof namin, minusan ako ng 0.5. Our grade, yung grade namin, 26.5 instead of 27. Wanna know why? Because we were absent the day after the reporting.
And you wanna know why it hurts? Kasi, and it stings? Kasi, there's just no requirement, nothing whatsoever na nagsabi or like instructed anyone in the class to be present after we submit the recorded report.
Doon sa guide. In the fucking guide.
Wala
Nakalagay. Even the rubrics.
No, walang requirement doon na we should be present
The day after.
The day after.
Wala.
Kasi we're gonna discuss it, whatever. There's
Wala.
nothing,
She made that shit up, bro.
there's no discussion part of the report. We just submit it and then she handles the lecture about it the next day.
The next day.
And then, nung binring up niya dun sa prof na yon, parang, Kesha, bakit may minus na 0.5?
Yeah, bakit
Ganyan.
minus 0.5?
And then the prof said,
Eh, you were absent
kasi
eh.
absent ka nung dinidiscuss namin yung report nyo.
That's so
And I was
stupid.
like-
We were already done with the reporting. We're already done. The
Walang
report.
requirement. There was no requirement to be present at that time. To
Ah.
discuss the report. Wala.
Ang nire-refer niya, yung rubrics. Sa rubrics do kasi. Nakalagay sa rubrics.
Alam mo?
Nakalagay sa
Ay,
rubrics. May discussion portion dun sa rubrics. Discussion of the topic. Dun sa reporting.
It was
As you-
part of the report.
It was part of the reporting. Siyempre, pag nagre-report ka,
Alam naman din mag-discuss,
they're discussing
diba?
the topic. That's what it meant. And that's also the meaning dun sa rubric na yun. Nakalagay yun sa guidelines niya. And then when I was trying to like vouch for myself, to reverse my deduction.
And then she said, we were
Hindi,
absent
no,
daw kasi.
yung discussion na nire-refer dyan is
Class
the discussion after. Sobrang shit kasi she made that shit up, bro. 0.5 difference. I was absent and that cost me my Latin honors. Pota, pakakupal. Okay. That's what I hate. And that's what I'm thankful for. Na wala na ako sa college.
I
Wala na ako
remember-
sa school.
I remember yung yung philo class namin.
Ha?
I remember yung philo class namin.
What?
With the legendary Father Nemi. Father Nemi, we love you. I love you.
Oh, yes. Father name. Anyway, hindi naman si father name yun.
No.
Different
It
prof.
was a different prof, but I'm just saying, yung philo class na yun, we were together kasi sa class na yun.
Yun nga, philo class nga ni father name, binigyan niya akong B eh. Akala ko C plus ako eh.
Ah,
He gave me a B.
wala lang. Naalala ko lang siya kasi, wala eh. That was one of the very, very,
Better
better
prof
profs.
experiences. Ikaw, what's something that you're thankful for you don't have to deal with anymore?
Preparing for an on-site presentation. Actually, preparing in general. Like
Yeah.
for an exam, for a presentation, for a report, whatever.
Oh. Yeah, I
Parang
can,
alam mo yun,
yeah.
kapag ngayon nag-work na ako and I'm out of school, I'm done with that shit. Tapos nakikita ko yung mga pinsan ko, ganyan. Basically, everyone na
nag-aaral pa.
nag-aaral pa. And then, there's midterm season. If you're in college, there's midterm season.
Yeah, there's midterm season,
And
then
then
you have
there's final
finals.
season. Wala lang. Pagka pag midterm season na, and final season na,
Puwetan na yan.
puyatan na yan, wala nang matutulog,
Gabi ka na uwi. Puro
Biglang,
groupings, puro meeting.
biglang maniningil ka sa mga groupmates mo, ng mga
Oo.
bag nila, whatever, ganyan. Tapos magsasalo ka ng mga pabigat sa groupie.
Oo, di ba?
I don't miss that part kasi wala,
Again.
parang I'm very, alam mo yan, kapag off-shift na sa work, off-shift
Off-shift
na,
na.
bukas na yan.
Di ba parang sa work, yeah, it's stressful,
It's stressful
higher
during,
stakes, but it's just
Oo.
8 hours. 8 hours lang yun.
it's 8 hours of your life. And
When you're done with the 8 hours, you're out.
Yeah, ako and kami by,
Para, yun yung pinapractice namin.
uh,
We only worry about work. Parang, sa'yo kami for 8 hours. Outside of those 8
Yes.
hours, we're gonna live our life. With school, you cannot really do that.
you can't really do that. And
You have your class, you have your preparation.
anyway.
Okay, anyway. Wait lang, upo muna ako. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so, yun nga. So, at least sa work, 8 hours, sa'yo kami. And then that's it. We get to live our lives after. Di ba?
Yes. Kasi, believe it or not, umay sa work.
Yeah.
Literally. Ako, ilang months pa lang kami nag-work. Actually, before pa ako graduate and just thinking about working in general,
Nakakaumay.
na ako. I mean, di pa ako graduate, di pa ako nag-work noon. Pero, sobrang ko na with the idea of working kasi, alam mo yun, I'm someone who struggles with routines kasi.
Yeah.
And, wala lang. Iniisip ko pa lang na burnout na ako. Everyday, I'm gonna log in and then log out at the same time.
Yeah.
Fuck, no.
At least, okay, we're not, okay, disclaimer, we're not bullshitting our work.
Oo naman.
Don't, when we're, gago, nahulog. Okay, do not, let's keep it. Nahulog, yeah. No consent, guys.
Sorry, nahulog. Wala, nahulog.
Okay, we're back.
Okay, we're back. We're back online.
Okay, either way, parang with work,
We're not bullshitting our work.
yeah, with work, I mean, that is something that Ateneo taught. Magis. And, yeah, Magis. Parang when you do something, you do it well.
In layman's terms, you're there na eh. Just, wala
Just do
lang.
it well.
Parang everything you do, just do it right, do it well. That's magis.
Meron pa isa eh, yung pride in your work, something like that.
I don't know that.
But anyway,
Anyway, ayun nga.
ayun nga,
Hindi pa kami graduate. Iniisip ko pa lang, the thought of me working the same work for years and years, napapagod na ako isipin kasi sobrang paulit-ulit. Alam mo yun. Log in ka at this time, work ka, 8 hours, log out at the same time. Nakakaumay.
yeah.
And then,
Ayun, parang at least yung at least tapos na yung 8. When you're done with the 8 hours, that's it. With school nga,
with school, you can't really pause na sa school lang ako student, ganyan.
hindi wala, it's gonna bleed talaga.
It's gonna bleed with all aspects of your life if you're a student. Kahit ka nagko-commute ka bakit po estudyante po.
Ngayon tumanda na ako a bit, looking back at it in high school. Parang you're in high school the whole day.
Oo. I mean, it was fun. It
was fun.
It was fun.
You had the
It
youthful energy din.
It was a thrilling ride. And, ayan. But the thing is, hindi ko talaga namimiss yung preparing for something. Kasi, as if my life depends on it. Well, I was a scholar, so it technically
kinda
was.
did.
It
Kinda
technically was. So, basta in everything kasi, in school ako, parang, wala, scholar ako so I had to do everything well. I mean, I'm not saying I did everything well kasi I'm a scholar. Wala lang, perfectionist in me, siguro. I just wanted to do everything well din. But, syempre, doing something well means you have to prepare for it. And ako nga, I was never a fan of doing things in advance.
Sorry, ako yun eh.
Siya yun. I was
But yeah.
never a fan of doing everything or anything at that in advance. Advanced reading sa ganyan.
Ayaw.
Ayoko. I mean, I tried, pero wala. I'm just not built like that.
Yeah.
Nothing inspires me more than the fucking deadline. If walang deadline, di ko yan gagawin.
Bahala kayo dyan.
Hindi ko gagawin yan. Out of sight,
Yeah, but anyway,
out of sight, out of mind, whatever. Basta yun, and back in school, syempre parang yung preparing part for the exam, the long exam, before the reporting day, that was hell for me kasi nga ayokong ginagawa yun. And wala lang. Parang I should be doing something else.
yeah.
Something more fun for those long hours instead of preparing for the next day. Diba?
Yeah.
I get to do that now with work kasi nga,
Yes.
I just work for 8 hours, di ba? And alam nyo, decision din kasi namin yun. Parang, we know people can be, people can be more devoted to their work
Yeah.
than us. Nag-work kahit beyond work hours na, ganyan.
Kilala mo kung sino ka.
I mean,
Sumasagot, matutulog na lang, sumasagot pa sa reply. Sumasagot pa sa message.
if that's for you, then that's for you. But
No
for
shame
me,
in that.
that's not me.
Pero kami, hindi kami yun.
I don't wanna
We're
do
not that.
that. I wanna do that, di ba? So, kahit ako I mean, dun sa Ortigas job ko, I experienced hosting an event. Hindi naman ako nag-prepare overnight, hindi ako napuyat.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah, so, at least now, you're working. That's something
Oo.
na, hey, I don't have to
Oo,
worry about it anymore.
Mas handled mo na yung oras mo, ganyan. Parang hindi ka na tied with something na, ay, student ka, due diligence ng isang estudyante na mag-prepare for an exam, di ba?
Yeah.
You don't have that in work.
Okay.
If anything, ang mantra namin is, you do something work-related pag bayad ka.
Yes.
As long as you're paid, do work. If you're
And do
not
it well.
and do it well kasi might as well, di ba?
Yeah, di ba?
Ginagawa mo na rin naman di ba? And
Yeah,
you
parang,
want-
regardless of
and you wanna,
regardless of
and-
motivation, whatever.
Yeah, and you
Just do
wanna,
it. Just
you
do it
wanna
well.
keep the work, di ba?
Yeah.
Just do it well, di ba? Do it right, whatever.
Yeah.
But, ang mantra namin, if you're not paid, if your time is not paid,
Don't.
just don't do work.
If you chat, reply sa boss, that's not paid. Why are you replying? I mean, I know, it's not that simple. It's not that,
It's not that simple.
but again,
especially for him.
it may be that simple. It's maybe that simple.
It's a
You're
matter
paid for
of,
8 hours. That's it. Outside of those 8 hours, wala silang karapatan sa'yo.
It's a matter of decision making
Yes.
for us. For us.
At least for you, di ba, if yung work mo, it's bleeding past 8 hours, is it really the work for you?
I mean, if you're okay with that, then go for
Yeah,
it.
go
Diba?
for
Shoot
it,
for the
but,
stars, whatever.
But
If that's for you, but for
again,
us, that's not for
if ayaw mo
us.
ng ganun, tapos ganun yung work mo, parang are you really,
Are you
anyway,
really in line with that kind of
yeah.
work?
But anyway, maybe last question.
Oo, kasi ubos na rin yung cookie.
Ubus na yung memory ko. Sana next episode, dumating na yung camera namin.
Palalala.
But, last question.
What?
Very cliche.
What?
What's something you would say to your, student self right now? Just pick a version of you. Elementary you, high school you, college you, and then give that person a message. What would you say?
Ako, okay, may answer na ako dyan. Feeling ko, yung version ko when I was an elementary kid, and yung version ko when I was in college, feeling ko, tangin na ako.
Hanap kami ng
Diba?
we're gonna find a different, more conducive.
Yeah,
Location.
bro, ang daming brum-brum dito.
Okay lang, but, okay, what were you saying?
Okay, I was saying, this is specifically for myself as a student nung elementary and nung college. Wala. Basically, the message is, you don't have to be perfect, bro.
Yes!
You don't have to
Say
be
that to
perfect.
yourself right now. Not even high school you,
Hindi, ngayon
college
kasi.
you, no, also you.
Yeah, ngayon kasi, it still applies, yes. But, alam mo yun, I'd like to believe mas apologetic ako for myself ngayong working ako.
Yes. Yes.
Kasi nung elementary, parang everything is geared for,
Success dapat.
yeah, and success, what did success look like back then? For me, it was,
Good grades.
scholarship. As
Yeah.
long as may scholarship ako for the next term,
Success na.
that's success for me. But, alam mo yun, you don't have to be perfect. Minsan, passing grade is enough to keep the scholarship.
Yeah.
And you don't owe it to your benefactors to always have the stars for them. Because at the end of the day, you're doing it for yourself. They invested in you, you should also invest in yourself.
Yes. And I'd like to think then, good benefactors. Benefactors
Oh,
will
yeah.
love you and everything. But at the same time, good benefactors will always prioritize you.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Parang, yeah, they have expectation and stuff, but at the end of the day, good benefactors will always just want the good for you.
Yeah, and most of the time, being a scholar means pinili ka. Ganyan.
Yeah, you were
Yun
chosen.
Yun yung lagi sinasabi sa amin.
Yeah, you were
in
chosen
OAA.
eh.
You were chosen to be there.
You're
Which
already
means,
there. Just do,
Oo.
parang just do justice by doing your due diligence.
Oo, ganun.
Huwag ka na magpapaya. That's it. Okay
Yeah,
na yun.
and you're doing, parang ang gusto nila sabihin at the end of the day is, since you're chosen, you're given that opportunity already.
Yeah.
Parang, your only job is to help yourself.
Yeah.
Literally. Parang binigyan ka na ng tools, just use the tools. That's just what they want.
Parang wala ka na kailangan patunayan pa.
Yeah, you don't have to be perfect.
Yes.
You don't have to be perfect.
Okay.
Sometimes okay na yun, passing grade.
Yeah.
Just to stay afloat. Cause,
Lalo pag yun na carry.
alam mo,
Let's go.
if it's a matter of survival, staying afloat is
It's already good.
success.
Not even good enough. That's already
That's not good enough. That's already your definition of success
Yeah.
if you're struggling to stay afloat. Just stay fucking afloat, that's it.
Tapos yun ang carry, di ba?
Oh,
Ako
yeah.
ano? Are you done? Do you
Yeah,
have
I'm
anything to
done.
add? Okay, me. Ako ano, go out with your friends.
Oh.
That's something I regret. I rarely have regrets in life. But I don't regret it. Because things turned out okay naman. But I would say to my past high school self, go out with your friends. I was from Ateneo, junior high school. All boys pa noon that time. So, all bros, di ba? I was the type of person to go to school, stay for a bit just to play basketball. Kasi I had a dream. We can talk about it next time, but I had a dream to play varsity before. So, I go to school, I stay to play basketball, and then I go. That's it. That's my routine. And I didn't really go out with friends much. And that's something I wish I would have done more. I was so in my own world na parang wala, ito lang yung buhay ko. Papasok ako, do well in school, and then go home. I wish I would have went out with my friends more. I would have, cultivated the friendship more. I would have had more memories with them.
Which friends?
Junior high school friends. Ateneo friends. Kilala niyo kung sino kayo. I love you, but para alam mo yun. Kasi right now,
Missed opportunity.
sobrang missed opportunity kasi diba right now matatanda na kami when we get together. Tapos minsan may nire-reference silang memories in high school. Tapos di ako makarelate. Tapos lagi na sasabi, wala ka kasi. You're doing this, you're doing that, wala ka kasi. Eh, parang it kind of stings. Na parang, kaya, I know, I remember, wala ako nun.
That's something I've always preached to him. The
Yeah.
most expensive thing you can achieve is time.
Yeah, and memories with friends.
Time and presence.
Yeah.
Yun yung pinakamahal na
Pwede mo maibigay with people that you care about, that you love.
yes, presence.
So right
Ako,
now,
I'm always wala, that's something I'm proud of kasi I'm trying to be always there.
Yeah, you never had that problem.
I'm everyone. I'm everywhere.
yeah, you never had that problem. Ako, I've always had that problem.
Oh.
So, that's something that I would tell my past self na, hoy, lumabas ka with friends. Go to that house party.
If not for you,
Go to that mall trip. Go to
Yeah.
that bowling session. Go to that pool session, whatever. Just live. Live life with friends. Kasi, yeah. Parang, you're only young once.
That's true.
Alam mo yun,
That's
parang, minsan lang kayo magkasabay-sabay sa buhay. Parang, might as well.
Minsan ka lang maging high school.
O, minsan ka
Alam
lang mag
mo,
high school.
I'm in front of my high school right now and simula nung nag-thesis ako, I never actually thought na I'd miss my high school days. Nung nag-thesis ako, legit, the nostalgia's there kasi, alam mo yun, itong cafe na to, it's sitting directly in
Directly
front
in
of my
front.
high school. And I was typing my thesis, di ba? And then, yung topic ng thesis ko, memories, ganyan. And then, I'd see kids walk out of the school in
Parang,
uniforms.
kami yung may hangin na bubuga na, uy, parang pamilyar yung hangin.
Oo.
Alam ko to
Yeah. And I never
Ay.
realized until I made my thesis na I'd miss my high school days.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's it. For Hannah, no need to be perfect. For me, go out with friends. That's it. So, yeah. Ubus na yung kape ko. Ubus na rin yung kape mo. See you guys next time.
Magandang outro.
Ano?
Let's stand up and leave.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Around.